Hello internet, I'm just having kind of a chill day. I'm just chilling in a flannel and a tank top, and I thought, why not to go and film something? So welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and let's get started. First of all, we're gonna cover up this zit I got going right here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna kind of play around with makeup and hope for the best. So first I'm going to be priming my face with the Milani Matte Primer, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. So now I'm going to do my foundation and all of that, and I think I'm going to mix together the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and then my Jeffree Star Concealer. I'm going to mix these all together and hopefully have a good outcome. Now on just a regular powder little, what's it called? Baking, whatever you want to call this brush. A little pointed powder brush. I'm going to take the Jeffree Star setting powder, and I am going to set all around my face. As well, I am just going to press some of this into my under eye. When baking, it's important to look up so it stretches like the underneath of your eyelid out so you can get the powder into the creases. So that's literally all that I'm going to bake. I found that this is like my new favorite thing to do. I just literally want to set the bags underneath of my eyes, otherwise like the rest of it gets too dry. Also, my eyebrows are really sloppy because I am trying to grow them out and kind of like start fresh with them, so they look absolutely terrible. Now I am going to do my eyebrows very quickly. I'm using the Milani Dip Brow Pomade because I can't find my Anastasia one. Whatever. A little thinner on the eyebrows because I really want to do some like pretty eyeshadow today. So we're going to see what happens with that. So while I did my eyebrows, I went ahead and I put the Jeffree Star Concealer all over my eyelids to go ahead and prime them. So we can go right ahead and get into the eye look. I think I want to do a kind of darker look today. I don't typically do dark looks on my channel, but I think this is what I want to do, is I want to do a dark look. Taking this big fluffy JH30 brush, I'm going to dip straight in to this brown right here, which is shade 1, 2, 3 Pooter, I want to say, from the original Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to blend this all the way up to the brow bone. Next, taking this Kylie Jenner brush, I am going to go straight into the dark color. I think I'm going to go with this one right here, which is Mocha, I want to say. Mocha. And I'm going to deepen my crease up with this color. Taking that mocha color, I'm also going to bring it down onto the lid to darken up the lid. And then taking this Jaclyn Hill JH33 brush, I'm going to dip into the James Charles palette and dip into the black. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, I am not that big of a fan of James Charles anymore. I have noticed for months that he's just kind of like done everything for money and not for his fans. That's all I'm going to say about the situation. I'm not going to continue watching his videos. His palette, however, is very, very good. I love the colors in it. Some have their moments, some do not have their moments. But that's with every eyeshadow palette. I'm still going to be using it, but I will not be watching or supporting James Charles in the future. So taking the black from that, I'm going to take this onto the lid and darken that up, and then lightly taking it up into the crease. Now, I would definitely, to keep this a more matte look, I would take the first brown shade that we took and kind of blend it into this black area to keep it all matte. But I want to add a dark glitter to it, or shimmer, whatever the hell you want to call it. But I'm going to add one of those into the inner corner, and as well, I'm going to be adding my favorite white color to that as well. In Jaclyn Hill's original palette, she has this gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous dark shimmer color right here, and I believe that is shade 24/7. I cannot take my eyes off of it. I've been wanting to put it on my eyes for a while, so that is what we're going to be using. Now I'm going to take my Milani Make It Dewy, and I'm going to spritz my brush, and this is a JH43 brush. I love using this brush to sample on glitters, so I'm just going to spritz that brush just once, and then I'm going to dip into that color and put it on my eyes. This shade is just absolutely stunning with the dark browns that I did. I am definitely going to be doing this look more often. Like, it literally just looks so good, and it blends so well into the matte shades, and it is not too much. Wow, that is a gorgeous color. So now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Now from this Jaclyn Hill palette, the Armed and Gorgeous, this absolutely stunning white shade I use with almost every single eye makeup look. I am going to, of course, put it in my inner corner because I love using it to brighten up my eyes. So I'm just going to use the same exact brush. I wiped it off, and then I'm going to place this on my inner corner. Going in with the James Charles palette and this Kylie Jenner brush, this shade right here in the top corner is like a mix between the browns that I used, and I'm going to use this to smoke out my bottom lash line. Now to waken up the lower lash line of my eyes and kind of wake up my eyes, I'm going to take this white eyeliner from Maybelline. I have not used this yet, so this is hopefully not going to ruin it, but I'm just going to apply this to the lower lash line. It definitely woke me up a little bit on the other eye, but not exactly what I'm looking for. It's still pretty decent. And now I'm going to bronze to the gods. Now I'm going to add this cute little corally blush from Milani to my cheeks very lightly, and with this literally, oh, so pretty. I'm gonna spritz my highlight brush. Get ready for that highlight. Then I'm using the Milani one, of course, one of my top favorites, and I'm just going to highlight. Now I'm going to do my mascara and add fake lashes, and I'll be right back. My eyelashes are drying. I put on lipstick. It is a Milani lipstick. I think I Am Smart. Yes, it's I Am Smart. I love this nude color. I cannot wait for Jaclyn Hill's nudes to come out. Hopefully, I'm going to have some money for that, because if I don't, I might cry. But yeah, I really do love this look, and I will be doing it more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be back in the next one. Bye, guys.